family does believe that this was intentional. So you said one-on-one, was an officer involved in this supposed training exercise or unplanned training or combat one of the officers that Tipping was investigating?
So that's what they're alleging, that this officer who was involved in this one-on-one training was one of the officers that was involved in this, rape allegation that Officer Tippings was investigating. There's been some conflicting reports from what I see, but from what the mother and their attorney is saying, this officer was involved, and there were other officers there that were part of this investigation that Officer Tippings was conducting.
If this is true, if the family is right, what kind of a case do they have against the LAPD?
Oh, it doesn't get much more serious than this. First of all, there's criminal repercussions that would go to a conspiracy, to an intentional act, a homicide. This is a murder, in other words. Second of all, there's going to be a huge lawsuit, which is already underway, that LAPD and the individual officers are going to be potentially liable for. But what I think needs to happen before we get into that is there needs to be an outside, independent investigation by somebody not affiliated in any way, shape, or form with LAPD, whether that be the State Attorney General's office, another district attorney, not the LA district attorney. I know they were suggesting that. I think somebody who doesn't know any of these officers should come and investigate in order to provide some more clarity to the public and to the family.